Assalamu alaikum friends. Today we are going to discuss about a new project that name is Coin Talks. Guys, in this project you can create, personalize and raise NFT dots, and you can also join their next jam. Just click on the join the next jam now. Guys, in this project you can buy and sell NFT dots and also create the NFT collections. You can also take the part in the races, and also you can breed affordable dots. So they can also write that what is Coin Dots. Coin Dots is a blockchain based gem for people who love dots, races and NFTs. It's a multiplayer game where you can raise your buy a virtual dodge, participate in races against other players, dodge for fun and profit, and create your own NFT collection. All coin dodges pass their unique DNA to children via crossover. No two dots look alike. You can also, guys, create your own NFT. Just click on the get your own NFT coin dots. You can also see, guys, today's top NFT, which is created by uh, Mista, and also you can see that what can you do with cute NFT dots. So it's a racing and race your coin dots against other players dots for fun and profit. Win dodge token which can be exchanged for any other cryptocurrency of your choice. You can also see that, guys, that the personalized, and they also write that we have a huge variety of special accessories for your dots. Choose the coolest to make him look awesome, and you can also check out the collect and mini games also here. So in the mini games, they also have the possum mini games, dodge trees, dodge shot, hexagon puzzle and more. The more you play, the more you earn dodge tokens. You can also click on the start option, and why should be the first. So you can see here there will be only be 10,000 Genesis dodge available for mint. After minting your Gen 0 dodge, you will be able to play and earn on coin dodge. And in a new player will have to buy or breed your Gen 0 in order to play. And they also write that the two Gen 0 dodge are needed for breeding, and only these dodge will be breedable. As Gen 0 dodge owner, this structure warrants your lifetime revenue, as you can choose to sell your dodge, rent your dodge or play to earn with him. And we remind you, so play and earn on coindodge.com, sell on NFT marketplace overseas, rent your dodge for breeding to new players. So guys, you can also check out the more details that I want the Genesis NFT dodge. Fill the form to get on the wait list. Just put it your name here, email, and also you are going to put your MetaMask wallet address here, and just click on the join option, and you can also join them on the Discord. So guys, and second option, want to get dodge token, invest in the next real dodge, next jam token in the game currency and NFT. Just click here to get the white listed, or you can also join them on the Telegram. So guys, the gameplay here option, and have a best chance to make dodge racing your dodge against other players with no racing fees. Race more than one dodge to increase your chances of winning. Race also on autopilot. Let your champion dodge make dodge while you sleep. 7 dodge per race. And guys, the first place wins almost 3x dodge, and the second will get almost 2.5x dodge, and the third place which is going to win almost 1.5x dodge. So get our dodge token now. And guys, you can also say the how to win a race. So they also write that make him happy by adding cool accessories, share it to your social networks, make sure lunar circle is the go-to one. So you can also read more here about these three options. And guys, they also added the pimp up your torch with 100 plus accessories here. And they are also right at with 6 plus trillion DNA variations and 100 plus fun accessories. Your torch's unique looks are limitless. Breed your perfect torch and express your style. Special rare game characters are here also. The fair less money badger on this greedy fat bastard and earn 1% from every coin toss transaction. Just pay off the current owner and his US or accountant hates him. And the second option they also write at the elusive Satoshi's unicorn and werewolf and hell house. So guys, in here they also write that start your NFT torch collection, and they also write that the purity 1% breed 18%, purity 4% breed 18%, purity 100% breed 100%. And in the next they also write that the purity 30% and the breed is also going to 27%. Just click on the start option and you will start this. And guys, this another option they also write that get your own NFT coin torch, and you can select the parents. And also guys, you can see here the NFT torch minting here. Just click on that and the minting starts. And the second option they also write that the torch token sale. So if you are going to click on this option, you will just directly came here. So guys, in the pre-sale price you will get a good amount of Doge coins through a single BNB. So in the pre-sale price, the 1 BNB, if you are going to invest in this coin, so you will get almost 1,02,000 coins. And in the post sale price, if you are going to invest 1 BNB, you will get almost 100,000 Doge coins. So guys, they also rated the real torch. There are lots of coins, memes, but only one has a real utility. Token Doge offers you to create an NFT torch, play with him and personalize it. 26% of Doge token are for sale through Pink Sale Launchpad, and initial supply of this coin is 100 crore Doge coin, and the liquidity of this is almost, which is locked, is almost 14% for 1 year and 20% team wasted and no taxes. And if you are going to click here, you will get more info about this project. So you can check out their MVPs. Just click on the check our MVPs. So guys, they also introduce the Canon blockchain here, and you will read more about here there. And this is the products. So guys, you can see also the products here and how it works. So Doge marketplace, and which is going to have NFTs, and it's a breeding accessories, sell on blockchain, free market, and it's at the end is Doge creators. So guys, game plus NFTs, your coin Doge can be worth gold after bidding well and adding some cool accessories to them. Mint them as an NFT and sell them on our marketplace or any other third-party NFT marketplace. So you can also download their white paper here. And guys, this is the roadmap of this project. So what better than a solid summary? So you can also read about this project roadmap here also. And guys, this is the Doge token. So blockchain is the Binance Smart Chain, layer is BB20, and type is a utility to interact with our NFT game. Guys, the initial supply is almost, it's 100 crores, and this is the link, and the soft cap is almost 1250 BNB, and the hard cap is almost 2500 BNB. So guys, they are going to distribute almost 15% the game dev, 26% the public sale, and the liquidity is almost 14%. Founders and team is almost 20% in marketing. They are going to distribute almost 10%, and 15% they are going to distribute in the ecosystem. And guys, this is the team which is so much experienced, so they also put it their LinkedIn profile, and you can also contact with them through LinkedIn and get more info about this project. And the partners of this project are PGA, Bitcoin, MYJ. So guys, we have a bounty about these projects, and if you want to join this bounty, then you can also join this project. So guys, they are going to distribute almost good amount of coins in this bounty here also, and these are the social links. And guys, also you can check out the option here. It's the almost 8 weeks bounty. So these are the general rules of the bounty. And guys, you can also say this is a Facebook bounty, so you can also join the Facebook bounty here. If you have good amount of friends, then you will get good amount of stacks also here, and you must use these hashtags in your posts. So guys, this is, you can also apply through this form, Facebook form, in this bounty allocations. And guys, this is the second campaign, which is a Twitter bounty, and you will get a good amount of stacks also here if you have good amount of followers. So this is the form you can apply to the Twitter bounty. If you are going to participate in this campaign, then just click on the apply to join Twitter bounty. And guys, this is the third campaign, which is Discord bounty, so you can also join the Discord bounty here also. And guys, it's Instagram bounty, so you can also participate in the Instagram bounty. And guys, this is the Reddit campaign, and the Reddit campaign is finished, I think, now at this time. And this is the article bounty, so guys, you can also join the article bounty here, and you will put your article on Medium, Quora, PublishOX, Reddit, Steemit, or your own blog, and you must use these hashtags in your post. And guys, this is the YouTube bounty. You must create a video which is minimum of 3 minutes length, and they just accept the English language. And guys, also you can use these hashtag in your video description, and you must to put it the website link and the Discord link, and your subscriber must be minimum of 500. And guys, you can just make a single video for this project, so you can apply when you are going to create your video in the YouTube campaign. So guys, this is the last campaign, is the almost signature campaign, and if you have good rank, then you will get good amount of stack per week here also. And this is the avatar. So if you have any type of question about related this project, then you can ask in the comment. I hope you like my video. See you. Bye bye.